Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to design a quote slide in PowerPoint step by step. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation where you want to add a quote slide. If you don't have one, start a new presentation or blank slide. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. This is where you can add images, shapes, icons, and text boxes. Click on icons to open the icon library. In the search bar, type quote to find quote mark icons. Browse through the options and select the style that fits your slide. Once selected, click Insert to add the quote marks to your slide. Now click on the quote marks and go to the Graphics Format tab. Select Convert to Shape to make the quote marks editable. You can now resize and recolor them to match your slide's theme. Next, go back to the Insert tab and click Text Box. Draw a text box on your slide and type your quote. Adjust the font size, style, and alignment so it looks perfect. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.